This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are putting together the Latte box. So I've got my pieces laid out. I'm going to be inking with some brown ink. I'm going to ink my ice cubes a little bit. And my whipped cream. This is a very simple box. If you wanted to have the image on both the front and back of your box, you would double these pieces. I am only going to decorate the front of my box. So just remember these pieces here, the ice cubes, the coffee, the Cool Whip, you would double those so that you could do them on both the front and the back. I'm just going to ink around. Now there is a slight border all the way around, so just take a look at it first, put it where you line it up good. Put your coffee on, then put on your whipped cream. I don't know what's going on here. Now it's and I'm just going to lay that right against there. Oh no. And since I forgot to put my straw on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it to the inside of my box. I would have preferred to have it underneath my coffee and my Cool Whip, but it works there. Then there's this small piece, which is the lid. Snapping onto the cup. You put that right there between the two. And then you just want to add your ice cubes. Okay. Now, the box is going to line up with this straight edge here on your cup. So let's get this put together. And then do the same thing with the back. So as you can see, it's just a very simple card, but box, but it's very cute. It'd be cute for a simple little treat for Valentine's Day. That'd be cute. And there it is. There is the latte box. Thank you for joining me.